हुन्छ है पहिला चाहिँ स्टार्ट कसरी भएको भने भाइ त्यो पाइप छ नि
यसलाई यस्तै हुन्छ म्याम
त्यहाँबाट पुरा निक्लिन्छ पानी त
यहाँ म ब्लक गरिदिन्छु
हजुर हस् He said they fixed it wrongly. The washer put upside down.
Upside down, yeah.
Yeah.
Because our water.
हजुर
क्लियर भयो
एकदम अहिले भयो है त्यो माथि हजुर माथि हजुरले केही सिल गर्नु पर्छ त भाइ
त्यसमा नै
यो माथि
यहाँ गर्छु यहाँ पर्दैन नि
त्यो पर्दैन स्योर हो
स्योर
But sometimes
एक्चुअली के थियो भने यसको वासर छ नि उसले दुईटै वासर माथि राखेको छ के
हजुर
तल राख्नु पर्ने माथि थियो त्यो भएको कारणले
अनि त्यता चाहिँ त्यो मुनि चाहिँ भाइले केही सेक्यो
यहाँ म अलिअलि कपडा राखेर यसको बाहिर चाहिँ एमसीले ब्लक गरिदिन्छु
हजुर हस् केही भाइसँग अरू आइडिया छैन केही अब हजुरलाई केही किन्नु पर्छ भने किन्नुहोस् त्यो सेक्युरली गर्नु मिल्दैन
यस्तो छ एमसी हजुरलाई थाहा छैन एमसी
मलाई भाइ किनभने प्रोफेसनल लाग्यो कि अरू भन्दा त त्यो हामी त योले त यस्तो दुःख पाइसक्यो के भन्नु अहिले एकछिनले चिन्छ नि भाइ प्रोफेसनल हो कि होइन भनेर त्यो मान्छेले त हेर्नु त त्यस्तो डोरी राखिदिएर हामीलाई त बर्बाद गरिदिएको
एमसीले चाहिँ ब्लक गरिदिन्छ त्यसलाई
हजुर
अनि पानी ब्याक आउँदैन
And we got a good plumber in here today. We've been worried that we would get someone who's not skilled, but in Nepal we've come to find a lot of very skilled people. And he's gonna try to seal this now because we're not used to having a plastic pipe underneath. Usually everything in America is metal. But he's gonna try to do some work and seal it for us. Because the thing keeps coming out. So maybe he could do something. We just want to find a way to get it so it's in there.
Can you give him a dry clothes, Raja?
Cloth?
Oh yeah, that one.
This one?
Yeah, give it to him.
Can you take this up? You take this.
एउटाले पुग्छ भाइ
Okay. Guys, they're pretty resourceful over here. Looks like he's trying to make something out of this here, which is pretty cool. Yeah, a good idea. People are very resourceful here, and we come to, figure out a way, figure it out, make it work,
कार्डलाई त्यो एकदम शार्प छ भाइ
Yeah, be careful. These are the real skills, handyman skills, right here. Unfortunately, I don't have good handyman skills. Even though I worked as an EMT, and we're supposed to EMT, they say they always find a way.
Okay, I'll put my bag. अर्को प्रब्लम के छ भने हाम्रो सिङ्कमा पानी जाँदैन भाइ
So we have the problem that the water doesn't go down. After a few minutes, it just fills and it won't go down quick enough.
के छ है यस्तो प्लम्बिङ सिस्टम यस्तो राम्रो गर्नुपर्छ नि नयाँ घर भएपछि त हेर्नुहोस् त बर्बाद
यस्तो हुन्छ नि यो हाउसिङहरू हुन्छ नि
हजुर
यो ठेकेदार सिस्टम हुन्छ अनि यिनीहरूले सर्भिस लिएको कामहरू लोकल गर्ने
हजुर
त्यही अनि टेक्निसियनहरूलाई पैसा राम्रो दिएको हुँदैन
हजुर हजुर
अनि टेक्निसियनले पनि त्यस्तै काम गर्दैन
हजुर
सबभन्दा समस्याहरू के थियो
यस्तो हुने
Just to save a little money, right?
अनि माथिको हेर्नु त टाइलहरू खत्तम पारिदिन्छ माथि हाम्रो बाथरुममा टाइलहरू खत्तम
And this is the G7X Canon. Much better. HD. Look at these bushunas. Bushuna flying in the house.
यो टेक्निसियन नै होइन यो काम गर्ने
हजुर भाइ
यो काम गर्ने टेक्निसियन नै होइन कि सिक्ने मान्छे हो यो
shit.
वासरहरू मुनि राख्नुपर्छ यो मान्छेले राखिदियो चाहिँ यहाँ फ्री छ
So he said they are not professional. They
Yeah.
are doing everything wrong. See?
यहाँ राखिदिएछ मान्छे
Yeah.
You know the,
यहाँ राख्नुपर्छ
oh my God. We have to put a, in bottom, he is putting up.
Yeah. Oof.
पुरै स्यान्ड
हजुर
स्यान्ड ब्लकेज
sand blockage balba cha pura
हजुर
eh
पाइप
lots of sand
Yeah. It's there.
people over here they are putting a tile fixing
Yeah.
tile haru halda
That sand is not from us because we never have sand like that. That's from before. We've only been in here for like a month now, so.
he said that right now it's gonna go to water
Mm-hmm.
but the thing is after 6 5 3 4 5 6 months it's gonna do again it's whole sand is inside
Right.
so
So basically, the thing needs to be completely repiped.
यहाँ यस्तो ग्याप छ कि
हजुर हजुर
ग्राउन्ड फ्लोर भएर त गर्दा समस्या हुँदैन
हजुर हजुर
के यो फर्स्ट फ्लोर भइदिएको भए
हजुर
जम्मै सिपेज देखिन्थ्यो
ए
सिलिङमा
हजुर
यहाँ त यस्तो ग्याप छ
सो यो पाइप राख्ने मान्छेले नै घोटाला गर्छ कुरा है हो everything
Yeah.
like that is a mission
Right.
it's not a simple
And it's
job.
costly.
It's costly.
Probably going to be costly because that means doing the whole.
But he said if it is the first floor this is the ground floor
Right.
so you don't have any problem it will go water flowing
Right.
but the thing is if you are in the first floor it's going to be big problem overflow or
Right.
luckily we are in the
Ground floor.
Yeah.
Okay. There's so many problems with the house. We have a septic tank. We have so many.
All the things, look, all the sand.
This
Show
is
the sand, show the sand. You now got the sand open.
yeah. That sand is not supposed to be there.
No, now the water is going. Look, water is going.
Yeah, the water is flowing perfect now. Excellent.
But now that sand, show the sand.
No bueno. So guys, from traveling and coming to Nepal, I learned that plumber, electrician, those are good professions. Everybody needs that done. Probably every country is going to need that. And it's respected and it's necessity. If you have a house, you need that. Every country is going to need that. And someone, a technician in their country who can work on that, who can come and fix the pipes, fix the electricity. And it just shows you that if it's a developing country or not, when you meet those people, you see that they're so skilled in their profession. Making furniture, electrician, and plumber. Those are the main things that we've seen out here so far. Those are the main people that we've seen that are very skilled.
इनकेस भोलि यता फेरि ब्लकेज भयो भने फेरि फुटाउनु पर्छ त्यहाँ हैन
भोलि आउनुहुन्छ फेरि
हैन अब केही समय हुँदैन अब तपाईको ढुक्क हुनु छैन केही हुँदैन मजाले पानी बोकिरहेको छ हेर्नु म देखाइदिन्छु हजुरलाई यस्तै ब्लकेज भयो भने फेरि फुटाउनु पर्छ भनेको कि मैले पानी
भाइले किचनमा गरेको जस्तो गर्नु मिल्दैन
होइन गर्न मिल्छ मैले भन्न खोजेको कुरा बुझ्नु भएन
मैले बुझेँ होइन इनकेस फेरि निकाल्नु पर्दा फेरि फोड्नु पर्छ
त्यो भएको कारणले हामीले यो सिल गर्ने भनेको पानी ब्याग नआओस् भन्नलाई मात्र हो पानी ब्याग आउँदैन नि ब्लकेज लाइन नै ब्लकेज भएपछि मात्र ब्याग आउँछ नभए आउँदैन हेर्नु भित्र पानी एक थोपा पनि आएको छैन
तर एटलिस्ट भाइले त्यो उठे राख्दै हुन्थ्यो हजुरले त्यो राखेको
म त अब राख्नै परेको भए म राखिदिन्छु केही समस्या भएन
राखिदिनु भाइले मैले बुझेँ हजुरले भनेको कुरा तर मलाई चाहिँ डर लाग्छ कि त्यही भएर यस्तो के यो सिलको पाइप छ नि त्यो देख्नु भएन हजुरले त्यो चाहिँ पलाङको पनि हुन्छ नि के
यो अब मान्छेले आफ्नो उसमा राख्छ तपाईँले यो के हुन्छ भने राख्ने यो पनि राख्नु नराखे होइन पेरिस्टलको काम भनेको नै यसलाई चाहिँ सेफ्टीका लागि हो कि यसको सपोर्ट भइ नै हाल्यो अर्को कुरा यसको सेफ्टीका लागि हो कि केही नदेखियोस् भन्नको लागि यो हुन्छ क्या पेरिस्टल अब बोर्डर ट्र्यापमा पनि हुन्छ
ठिक छ भाइ move or shield it because the water is not going to leakage, you know, because if something happen, blockage in future is easy to open.
Right.
But I request him to put that thing over there, seal a little bit.
Yeah.
Because, you know, but he guaranteed me it's not going to leak.
Right, the putty stuff that he has there. Yeah. See that?
But on my request, he's just putting it. But he he gave me a guarantee that it's not going to leak.
Right.
The water will come.
मेरो त काम नै हो गरिदिने म त मैले अब हजुरको लागि नै गर्ने भनेको किनकि भोलि केही भएर किनभने पुरै स्याङ मात्र छ भएर फेरि खर्च हुन्छ भनेर
It's a good job, guys. I regret not becoming a plumber. Now I come here, I'm like, oh my God, they need plumbers in Nepal. They're a lifesaver. I guess anywhere, but I should have became a plumber. Legit, for real. I heard somebody in America, they just learned HVAC and they're making $70 an hour in America. They learned it 2 years ago. So he's gonna write up the receipt for us now. So everything is documented for the work. Now this is his first time coming here. We never used a plumber here. We never met him before. We just, Julissa, somehow she found this place.
Contractor हो हजुर त्यो पाइले एप्लाई भ्याकेन्सी हुन्छ अनि एप्लाई गरेर उहाँहरूले चुज गर्नुहुन्छ सो ही इज सेइङ द्याट anybody like there is a vacancy open then he have to apply over there and then go for the interview all the process everything checking their background check whatever it is and then after that they will choose
CTBT बाट ट्रेनिङ लिनुपर्छ
no CTBT
It's a school.
technical line
yes.
And how long does it take?
हजुरले कति
In school.
मैले CTBT-बाट हैन मैले पर्सनल कुनै व्यक्तिबाट काम गरेरै सिकेको
then he's saying that CTBT you have to go there to train but he didn't take a train from that school or institute.
Yeah.
But he professionally learned from somebody senior from him and learn and then practice
and getting the experience on the
field.
On the job, field experience. Yeah. That's the best experience.
In case billing गर्न पर्यो भने
मैले बुझ्न गरे नि त्यस्तो हार्ड वर्किङ हो नि त भाइको काम हैन बिचारा आएर
यसरी कस्तो हुन्छ भने हाम्रो यो त यस नर्मल नै हो अलिकति ठुलो काम छ भने
हजुरलाई बाँकी
हस् थ्यांक यू
ल बाबु फेरि हजुरको कन्ट्याक्ट नम्बर
Alright guys, so it cost 750 Nepali rupees and he fixed up our problem right now, so everything is good. Impressed?
Yes. Guys, so I researched it and then so this Sajilo Marmat Shiva I booked from online, and I heard that service long time ago, and last time also I booked for my washer, but washing machine. Then he.
Oh, so he is a handyman.
So this is a professional company. They have a professional plumbing service. Everything over there. You have a choices. So repair service, everything. I choose plumbing today, and they came.
Like
and
Home
they
Advisor.
sent-
In America, they have HomeAdvisor.com.
Yeah. And they came, and the gentleman came over here by. His name is Deepak Katiwal, and he's very good. He did a good job, and he's very professional. And if you guys have come over here and then a visitor, as a visitor, an expert or expat or something, you need a service, don't forget to contact Sajilo Marmat Sewa. Okay, they will send you a professional guys.